Hello everybody and welcome to Monday's Assembly. And you may well wonder why there are pictures and models of interesting buildings. Well, we will find out and let's see what your challenge is later on. So this week, I'm not sure if you'll have guessed this, we're looking at Article 14. Article 14 is all about freedom of thought, belief and religion, and I'm going to read out your article to you for this week. Every child has the right to think and believe what they choose and also to practice their religion as long as they are not stopping other people from enjoying their rights. Governments must respect the rights and responsibilities of parents to guide their child as they grow up. Now, in time-honoured fashion, there's a PowerPoint to go with this assembly with loads and loads of activities. Now, one of the activities was to make a model of a building that is of particular importance or significance to you. Okay, so I was lucky enough to visit the Taj Mahal in India a few years ago. Now, you can see the Taj Mahal from the air in this video clip, and it is truly amazing. And it was special to me because 70 years before that, my granddad had visited the Taj Mahal. So my granddad's story is actually quite unusual. He was desperate to join the Navy because his brothers were in the Navy, but he wasn't called up because he was in a reserved profession. He was a toolmaker and they were actually making ammunition. Then he got his call-up papers actually on VE Day, so right at the end of the war. And he was very excited and he was called up to the RAF, but not as a pilot, not as flying a plane or anything like that, but as a military policeman. So his job was to police his fellow servicemen, but at the time there were riots in India, and he had to police those riots. And the part of India that he was in is now Pakistan. And according to my dad, my granddad absolutely loved his time in India. Now I picture my granddad at the Taj Mahal. I picture him thinking about his wife and child back in the UK. And it felt like a very sort of like spiritual place to me. The Taj Mahal itself is a shrine built by Shah Jahan to his wife. So I can imagine my granddad being there thinking about his family back at home. And I also thought about the iconic photograph of Diana, Princess Diana, sitting on the bench there. So rather than a religious experience, I found it spiritual, but it was very moving, and I loved the fact that I was standing in the place that my granddad had stood 70 years previously. So you can see there's a photograph of me sitting on a bench at the Taj Mahal. So I was inspired to make the Taj Mahal myself, and you've seen it in the photographs and you can see it there behind me. There are lots of other challenges in today's article PowerPoint, and it was this one that particularly struck me. I'd like to see your responses. I'd love to see your junk modelling buildings of importance to you. Maybe you could draw them, okay, or you could make them any way you like. But some of the other good activities, the one I liked was, how about if you discovered a brand new planet and you were in charge and you had to make the rules? What rules would you make? I think that would be a fascinating challenge. So there's many challenges on the PowerPoint, but it's up to you. Would you like to make a building, or would you like to make some new rules for a planet? It's up to you. It's your decision. Let's see how you show us Article 14 in action. So have a great day, everyone. Look forward to see your contributions ready for Wednesday. Get them to me by about 3 o'clock tomorrow at the latest. Thanks, guys. Stay safe. Bye-bye.